I finally dropped a meme stock update. Alright guys, you know what it is. AMC and GME meme stock update. We're going to be talking about, of course, the exclusive meme stocks. I cover everything from cryptocurrency to cybersecurity on this channel. So if you find any of that useful or informative, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. And again, follow my Twitter, join my Discord, and have notifications on because I always drop crucial information that's time sensitive there. So if you want to be up to date on everything that I don't post on my YouTube, you want to check those out. But let's go ahead and check out the charts. We got a ton of stuff going on that happened over this 3-day weekend. We had Jurassic World. We have Top Gun doing numbers. We have the NFT marketplace for GameStop. Amazing things happening for the meme stocks. Let's go ahead and check out the technical analysis because fundamentals and technical analysis makes the ingredients for moass. Welcome back to another video with Data Zero. So as you can see, we're looking at AMC and GME, the two meme stocks. So as you can see, we're going to be looking at bullish indicators for these stocks, things to look out, price points, and indications for these stocks. I think that we're going to see a general movement to the upside for these in particular stocks in this sector. On the mid-cap sector. So what we have are AMC, GME, also stocks that I'm looking at are Ethereum, BBIG, and Redbox. I also cover videos on cryptocurrency and technology. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, go ahead and press subscribe. So let's go ahead and look at AMC first and see what we have going on. So first thing I want to pull out or point out on AMC is this symmetrical triangle that we have formating. So what a symmetrical triangle often indicates is a trend reversal. So as you can see, we have this trend, this downtrend, this long grind down after a massive run up to the upside. So as you can see, we're in an obvious downtrend. So what a symmetrical triangle can often indicate, and we also have other technical indicators down here like double bottoms and things of that nature to indicate that this could possibly be the bottom. And plus, you don't want shorts to get much lower because shorts are going to cover, which would cause a mass exit to the door, which would actually cause the moass, which is what we want. And this is kind of the price point they want to keep it in. So the only thing that wouldn't cause this stock to go up is the current manipulation, which we are facing and which has been happening. But you can see that RSI is very low. We have room to run. That means the stock's oversold. That means there's been too much selling occurring, and we have plenty of room to run. And also, if you look on the MACD, this indicator down here, it is bullish on the weekly time frame, which we are on the weekly. It's bullish on the daily time frame as well. And last time we were bullish on these time frames, we seen a run up to $32 and we seen a run up to $72. So this can indicate a very, very large move for AMC. Also, anytime we've seen this bullish MACD, we also seen very, very high short interest. We have 21% short interest reported by Fintel. Ortex is reporting about 22%. Cortex reports a little bit faster and gets a little bit more accurate information, in my opinion. So I would say that short interest either way is very, very high. Plus cost to borrow. So it's very, very hard to get shares to borrow for this stock, which means that all of these indications are lining up for the same time that we ran up to $72. All of these fundamentals, all of these indicators are showing us that we could have a possible large run up in our future. We also have the symmetrical triangle, which I was telling you guys about before I went off in a tangent, and you guys can see that symmetrical triangle often leads to a trend reversal. So you can see this downtrend. We have the symmetrical triangle, which could easily be a bullish breakout, which we are getting to the end of right now. We also have dojis, which is a candle pattern for also a trend reversal. And we also have other indicators as well, showing us that this could very well be the bottom. Again, we have a double bottom, this $9 level, again, bounce. And then roughly about this level here, $9 again, bounce, bounce. And then we could have a third bounce here, but currently we are looking at what could be a takeoff. We also had the release of Jurassic World, and we have Tom Cruise's Maverick doing numbers over the weekend. And anytime we had a 3-day weekend on this stock, it seems to tend to do very well after that 3-day weekend. So this particular week coming up could be very, very interesting for AMC and GME. GME also has the NFT marketplace going on for it. It also has a very similar market structure. If you ask me, it would be an even better market structure. It's held its price very well. It's not actually not in a technical downtrend. Well, it is in a technical downtrend, but it's held its price very well after its gamma squeeze slash short squeeze, whatever you want to call it. Most people say it's a gamma squeeze, and I would go to say it was a little bit of gamma plus shorts covering plus FOMO. But that's neither here nor there. But as you guys can see that we are consolidating and getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And normally what this is like a spring coiling up, and eventually we'll get a big bounce. We have the NFT marketplace coming out for GME. We have the dividend stock split, which has been approved by the shareholders. So everything is going very, very well for the short squeeze, for the moass. Whether you guys see it or not in the price action, that is not what you guys need to pay attention to. Yes, fundamentals are important. Yes, technicals are important, and you need to build the bigger picture to get all the ingredients for a short squeeze. That's why people who say technicals are not important are dumb, or in my opinion, and people that say fundamentals are not important are dumb, in my opinion, because you need all the ingredients to bake a cake for a short squeeze, which is what we are looking for in these two stocks. So as you can see here on Stock Go Tractor, again, we had the 3-day weekend, so the market was closed. But we can see the calls expiring in the money for last week. This is all last week's information. Shares available to borrow, 750,000. And this is for AMC. Also, we have for GME, we have shares available to borrow, 775,000. And we have calls expiring in the money, 20,000 at $140. Again, this is last week's data because the stock market hasn't opened. It does open in 15 hours and 58 minutes. We can see that the max pain for last week was $12. This is max pain for this week. I do apologize. And it is going to be about $12. So we can see that max pain is where the call or where the market makers will make most money. So this is where the market makers will most likely try to keep the stock around this range. So you can see that $12 is a particular price point to look at for AMC. Now, me personally, what price points I'm looking at for this week are between, so if I'm going to give you guys price points, between $10, $11 mostly, and I would say $13, $14. I would say look out for that. Now, if I do see indicators of technicals for a bigger movement, I will let you guys know, and go ahead and subscribe and put on notifications so you can check out my shorts and all that stuff, because I drop data all the time to give you guys up-to-date information. Also follow me on my Twitter and Discord to get update information. The price points I'd be looking at for GME are $114 and $140. I do think we will be between those two ranges. So those are the ranges I am looking at for these two particular stocks. I gave you guys price points, I gave you guys news, data, things to look forward to, and what I'm looking at this week for the moass. Again, I will be giving you guys updates all the time, so subscribe to my Twitter. Make sure you go to my Discord. Links down in the description and in the notification or in the comments. And that is pretty much the video. I will be wrapping up with what's news is going on for the market. So overall stock market news, not too much. You guys can see here that there is some news going on for the global market. And then as well as for Reddit, you guys can see that there is some news going on here. I'm going to go ahead and scroll through. This is Wall Street Bets plus GME and a few other related Reddit that you guys can get some information from. But hopefully you found the video informative. Again, I cover cryptocurrency, stocks, technology, and all of that good stuff. So if you find any of that informative and you want to stay on top of it all, go ahead and drop a like. I also do breaking news that will affect the markets and the world. So go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, Keep hacking. Make money. Peace out. All right, that was the video. So again, hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.